Inside the VIP, you'll unlock the expanded Astrology app. Similarly to the other app, you'll be able to explore a little bit deeper information that will actually help you understand your Vesta, revealing how you're meant to devote yourself to your mission. Additionary insights that show your gifts, your strengths, your visibility, and your abundance pathway. A deeper purpose activation system that helps you move from understanding your mission to embodying it. In this, you'll be able to pick your rising sign, or you could put in and calculate your chart as we did before. You'll type in all the key information that gets to pull up the chart for you. For this, you'll put your location of birth. Click find, should pull it up for you. Calculate the chart. And there it should pull everything up for you with this awesome wheel system. It goes into much more depth. Everything here for you guys. It tells you every single house. It tells you what planets are in each house. It tells you what strengths and weaknesses and also the growth areas that you can look at. And the main focus, of course, is your house of career and legacy, which could show up in your 9th, 10th, or 11th house, which we will go over together. So this free workshop definitely shows you what your purpose is, but the VIP helps you understand how to activate it. So if you're ready to uncover your soul mission and learn how to align it with your life that you are currently building, please click the link below and join us for free. And if your intuition says that there's more to discover, I'll see you inside VIP. Your chart remembers why you're here. Let's uncover it together, igniting your inner flame here with me. And I hope to see you guys there.